GDI Global presents the Stop the Killing fundraiser, hosting and performing Pastor Shirley Caesar, Friday, September 7, 2012. Also, 12-year-old ordained minister Terry Durham. And day 2, BT Sunday's Best winner, Jessica Reedy, including other guest performers. Saturday, September 8th. It's the Stop the Killing 2-day concert and fundraising event, Friday, September 7th and Saturday, September 8th. Come on down. Doors open at 5. To purchase tickets, call 562-618-1048 or visit gdiglobal.biz. Tickets, only $40 general admission, only $60 for VIP, including special seating, dinner, valet parking, and a gift bag. So come join us, 442 East El Segundo Boulevard, LACA 90061.